Okay, now we have assets. In assets, there are two different parts: non-current assets and current assets. So non-current, we have all the assets which are long-term in nature, fixed assets, non-current investments, and then long-term loans and advances and miscellaneous expenditures. Okay. Second, we have current assets. We have current investments. The first one. What are current investments? Those investments which are done for shorter period of time, like less than 1 year. So those investments will not be put into the subheading of non-current investments. Rather, it would be like brought down to the current assets, and it would be put it in the subheading of current investments. Okay. Next, we have inventories, which means stock. Inventories is closing. Of course, this is closing stock. It has to be closing because we are here in the balance sheet. We are in the balance sheet, and in the balance sheet there is only one stock which is stated. Which is that? Opening or closing or both of them? No, we have only closing stock. It has to be understood. Nowhere it will be written closing inventories. But you have to understand closing stock. Trade receivables. Now there we saw on the liabilities side, we saw trade payables. Now in the assets, we are here with the trade receivables. So trade receivables is made up of two things. Yes, very good, Shivani, Neha, Halima, everybody is answering. Very nice. Very nice. Debtors and bills receivables. So out of two things, trade receivable is made of. First is debtors and second is bills receivables. And I hope you know what is debtors, what are debtors, and what are bills receivables. Okay, in detail, I would not go because I know you know that. Okay, आगे बढ़ते cash and cash equivalents. Cash and cash equivalents means cash and bank balance. Bank balance is equivalent to cash, no? Yes or no? Okay. So this is cash and cash equivalent. Cash and bank balance. जो हम लिखते थे balance sheet में. Short term loans and advances. If you have given loan, not taken, taken would be in liability. If you have given loan, if you have given advance to somebody, तो वो short term. अगर वो short term है तो short term means less than 1 year. Other current assets. Other current assets में क्या आ जाएगा? बाकी की बची हुई assets जैसे जैसे वहां पे हमने बोला था आउटस्टैंडिंग, तो यहाँ पे हम बोल सकते हैं प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस. अदर करंट एसेट्स में डाल सकते हैं ना प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस. प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस आपकी करंट एसेट होती है, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस आपकी लायबिलिटी होती है. ठीक है, तो आपको एक टोटल वर्ड दिख रहा होगा यहाँ पे लास्ट में, टोटल वर्ड. तो ये टोटल क्या बताता है? लोअर साइड टैली फिगर. So there are two different tally figures. One is upper side, which is of the liabilities, and the other one is of, I would say, tally figure, which is related to assets. So this was the format that we did related to balance sheet, and balance sheet is always part 1. See here. This is part 1 balance sheet, and we have part 2 as P&L, which right now I don't think we should do because already it's 10:50 on the clock and I have another lecture at 11. So I have just 10 minutes break with me. And what is your lecture? I mean, which is your lecture? From 11, you have any lecture? No, it's on the... Okay, fine. It's at 4 o'clock. Fine. But I think 12 o'clock आपका वो personality development का हमने एक program जो organize किया है, you all have to attend. It's compulsory. Please don't skip. Please attend it. We have kept it for specially आप लोगों के लिए रखा है. See, देखो बाकी सारे कॉलेजेस में होता है नहीं होता है मुझे नहीं पता, बट हमारा कॉलेज हमारे बच्चों को फ्री में ये सारी चीजें दे रहा है. इट इज पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट स्किल ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्राम है. यू ऑल हैव टू अटेंड एंड इट वुड बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आपने उस दिन रेज्यूम राइटिंग सेशन अटेंड किया था. लोग पेमेंट करते हैं, पता है आपको? लोग ऑनलाइन पे करके ये सारी चीजें सीख रहे हैं, और हमारा कॉलेज हमारे बच्चों के लिए फ्री में अरेंज कर रहा है. ओके, बीबीआई डिपार्टमेंट ने किया है ये. ठीक है, बाकी सारे बच्चे भी आ सकते हैं जो बीबीआई के नहीं हैं, बट बीबीआई इज कंपल्सरी. Okay, you can invite your friends, but yes, they should be from Ram Niranjan Junjunwala College. Okay, it should be specifically from our college. ठीक है. ओके, चलो. मुझे पता है आपके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो बी वॉक में हैं, उधर ही तुम्हारी आत्मा भटकती रहती है ना. और बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो बी कॉम में हैं, तो उनको भी इनवाइट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Okay, so you take break. I will also take 10 minutes break, and then I think tomorrow we have a lecture, so we can resume tomorrow. I will start with the format of PNL, which is in the part 2. Okay, thank you everybody. Take care. Bye. Stay safe. Stay inside. Okay, bye bye everybody.